So do you like articulated insects? So this video is for you. In today's How to Slice, we're gonna be checking out some box skull insects. So let's start. This is the Dragonfly box skull. As you can see, this is a really nice model. It comes with the Dragonfly and 4 sets of wings. So as you can see, this model's got this hole so you can assemble the wings right here. So 2 on one side and 2 in the other side. So in total, you will have 4 wings in this model. What you can do is print different wings. So have a set of this type of wings in the front and a set of this type of wings in the back. So feel free to choose. So before printing, take a look at the best print configurations to print this beautiful model. So let's go to the print settings. As you can see right here in layer height, we're gonna be reducing the layer height to 0.16 millimeters. So we get a better quality print, because as this is a really kind of small model, if you print at a high layer height, it's gonna be visible, the layer height. And you don't want that. You want a soft and smooth model. So by reducing this value, you're gonna have a really a better quality print. As for infill, we're gonna be increasing the infill to 15%. So it's got a more dense model and it will look really nice with a gyroid infill pattern. As for skirt and brim, so let's take a look at the model first. For the wings, we do not need any brim because the model's got a good surface area to the build plate. As for the Dragonfly right here, as you can see, it's got a low contact area in the legs right here. But if you add brim, it's going to be hard to remove the brims because there could be residue under this joint right here. So what we're going to do is reduce the speed, print in a small lower print speed so you can get a good first layer. Always recommended to clean your build plate. You can use isopropyl alcohol or use dish soap so you can clean it a bit so you can get a good bed adhesion when printing. So what we're gonna do is reduce the speed so we can get a better first layer, because everyone knows the first layer is the most important. And as you can see, by reducing the speed of the print, you're gonna get a good quality when printing the joints right here. The joints right here, you need a good quality print because sometimes they can rigid up and they will not move freely, and you don't want a rigid model because it's a articulated model. So we're going to be reducing the printing speed. So we're not going to be adding brim. For support material, we do not need support material because this model is optimized for printing. And for speed, we're going to be reducing all the values to 50 millimeters a second. So as you can see, I just reduced the printing speed. So I went down to 50 millimeters a second so we can print well the joints, and it's going to turn into a really nice model. As for the first layer right here is set to 20 millimeters a second. This is fine, but if you want to print better, you can be reducing to 15 millimeters a second. It's going to take more time, but it's always it's better to make it's better to have a good first layer and a good print. It's going to take a little bit of more time, but it's better so we can have a good print. So as you can see, this model is ready to slice. So as you can see, I just sliced the model and it looks really nice. It's gonna take 7 hours and 19 minutes to print. And as you can see, it got the set of wings right here. It will look really nice. And the Dragonfly. So the model is ready to print. Make sure you check all of our models in stlflix.com, and I'll see you in another How to Slice.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STL Flix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.